Well, hello, Carly and Eddie here. We are on day 4 of theme park hopping in our theme park series that we do every year. So right now we are in sunny California at DCA.
California.
Just kidding. It looks like it though, doesn't it?
It does.
It does kind of look like it. No, we are at Hollywood Studios in Orlando, Florida, and you would have known that already if you watched the other 2 videos. So we're gonna take you about here. We already just rode the Aerosmith roller coaster, Rock and Roller Coaster, which was pretty awesome. And we are fighting around to see a couple of shows, and then we are going to catch Galaxy's Edge. All right, so let's get into it. I love the queues. Have you noticed it makes you feel like you're like at the Muppet Show, like backstage. Here it is. This must be the future queue for Rise of the Resistance over here to the left. It's like 20-some hundred miles, and the main reason why we're here, Galaxy's Edge. Like, we just crossed through the tunnel into here, and it's I can't even begin to tell you how cool it looks. Whew.
It's pretty cool.
It's pretty awesome. All right, let's check this out. You have your credits, right? They don't take money here, currency.
Yeah, I have this though too.
Yes. Oh, traveler's guide. Okay, let's check it out. As a Star Wars fanatic, I'm really like, look at the detail. Now, I think at Disneyland in California, I could be wrong, this one doesn't really do a whole lot, but here it does.
You want to get closer to the point?
To the X-Wing? Is that an X-Wing? You can't tell. No, that's not an X-Wing. Just look at the detail. As we're walking. Carly, what's your first reaction? Because everybody can tell I'm losing it.
Pretty cool.
It's pretty cool?
Yeah.
Just pretty cool?
Yeah.
Huh?
Everything looks really old. It's not.
Well, it's pretty old, but it doesn't look old?
It looks old, but it's not.
Okay. There we go. So, Carly probably hasn't seen any of the walkthroughs, but there should be a droid. Oh, there he is. So the droid here is cranking this, cooking the meat, using the engines of a ship.
It's a hard job.
I know. Seen this in so many videos on YouTube, and now we're here. Okay, apparently everyone's going left. First, I'm going into the rain. They're all heading to Smugglers Run. It's pouring, but this is my first shot, and I'll tell you something. Putting all things aside, the YouTube channel, Facebook, all that, This is like one of the most awesome moments ever, and I really wish my dad was here to see it. Just, wow. And we're about to jump into that line. Holy crap. All right, first reaction, Millenium Falcon.
Pretty awesome.
That's to scale. Like, so if that was a real ship, that's how big it would be. It's incredible. I should just call this first reactions to Galaxy's Edge in Orlando. Give us a wow face. Perfect. Here's my wow face. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm still on camera. Oh yeah, try the cooler. We just got that. That's the one over in the Black Spire Outpost that they have. It's tasty. All right, so I guess we're gonna find our way into the line here in a moment.
And the rain is over.
Welcome to Orlando. Just rains on and off.
How cool that is.
Yeah, it looks like it was hit with a blaster.
All it was.
Yep. Like I said, the detail is incredible.
I love it.
Alright, so now I know we're getting close.
Almost there.
All the way down. So we are both going to be pilots.
A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. You clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And
That's scary.
You harpoon that pressure.
First reactions, pretty awesome. Highly recommend. Carly and I were both, I was trying to say as we went in, we're both chosen as pilots. Carly should never pilot anything. So she was left and right where I was up and down. And yeah, it was interesting. Actually, I think it was, even though she's, no offense to her, even though she's a bad pilot, I think it made it that much more fun. So
We still came out alive, that's all that matters.
she didn't destroy it, but I guess we're Marauder level. I don't know what that exactly means, but but at this or at this point, there you go. I think we're gonna go find some of the local Star Warsy food or something like that. So, but highly recommend the queue. It's just ridiculous the amount of detail. I mean, she's seen the Star Wars movies, but I'm still blown away by what you're seeing right here. I mean, it's just insane. Okay, so on to the next point. At the Blue Milk Dispensary. We're about to head out again. I think we are heading back to probably Epcot or something here, but we're going to head out the other entrance. I was only aware of one entrance, and that was through Toy Story Land, but evidently there are two. So that's good to know. I didn't even see it on the map, so guess I missed it. So with that being said, we are going to conclude our visit here at Walt Disney's Hollywood Studios, and if we feel like shooting later, we'll shoot more, just like I said yesterday, which we did not, so sorry about that. Or as I usually say, sorry, not sorry. You know, we were just tired, so. But if anything else, we'll catch you later. Okay, we're back. So we're gonna try the Skyliner. We're gonna bring you with. So I haven't seen too much footage about this on YouTube yet, so we'll do it. What the heck? So, stand by. Yeah, so it flows, I mean, the airflow is good. The view is amazing. And we're trucking along at a good speed.
In just a few moments, we will...
Another cool thing is as you come through, they point out things like, I guess the water here in this area, it's all wetland preserves, which I've heard about, but apparently it all flows down to the Everglades and connects to the ocean. Do you know that? I didn't know that.
I did not know that.
Interesting point. Keep having to cut in, cut out because they come up and tell you more facts. So the other one, which I've mentioned before to people, is that Disney World, Walt Disney World, they say it's over 40 square miles. From what I understand, it's approximately 43 square miles to be exact, as opposed to Disneyland, which is just over 500 acres. It's a huge difference. Oh, here we go.